welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Couture Shanz, and I focus mainly on fashion, lifestyle, sewing business. So if that's your jazz, then you're at the perfect place. So today we'll be doing a mini fashion haul, guys, of these gorgeous pieces that you see me showing here. So just stay tuned to see more.
Okay guys, so the first piece that we have here is actually a two-piece shorts set. Mixture of orange, red, black, and white. And this is the shorts, and it is elasticized at the waist here, as you can see. And then it features a small tie detail at the front. So this is the shorts, and this is the shirt, and it is a button-up shirt, as you can see here. And it has these cute white buttons. Listen, I have to give you a close-up of these, what would you call it now, marble buttons. Like, guys, these are just too cute. And it just adds a little touch of, chicness, as I always say. And then it has these pockets right here at the front. You can drop anything in there. I mean, it's just for style, but if you want to utilize it, you can do so. So it does have the collar here and the lapels at the front, and it's just super chic. It's giving casual vibes. I mean, you can rock it outside of the shorts. You can do a little half tuck, or you can do a full tuck. I'll show you all three ways that you can wear this short set. But most of all, I am just loving the color. I think that's my favorite part of this set, is actually the color. Like, just look at this print. These colors are giving, like the orange, the red. It's just super cute. And then the shorts are just so short and cute. Like, listen, look at these pieces, guys. Look at these pieces. So gorgeous. As I said, the waist of the shorts are elasticized, so it's very stretchy. It has a lot of give, and it's super comfortable. Listen, I can't go without talking about this fabric. Like, Egyptian cotton, I would say it is. It is just so soft, and it's so luxurious. And it has these side pockets here as well. You can put stuff in the pockets, but it's just style, as we all know. But yeah, it does feature these pockets at the side. So it has two side pockets here on each side, and it's just super cute, super comfortable. Like, let's talk about how comfortable it is, because I know in fashion we're all about aesthetics, and we are so quick to basically substitute comfort. But over at Couture JA, comfort comes first. We want you to feel so good in these pieces, guys. Listen, this is something that we're not going to basically forego with our pieces, because we do ensure that the fabric used is of the highest quality. So as I said, it's super soft, super nice, and it's very sturdy, very thick. The fabric is very thick. You can't even see through it, so you don't even have to worry about being exposed in any way, shape, or form. But yeah, guys, this is the first piece, and I know you already love it, so leave a like on the video if you're already loving this first piece. So the next piece is another short set, but this is in a solid color. So we're starting it off with the orange, and let me say that orange.
I needed you to hear this in my voice. That orange.
Super gorgeous. As I said, this is premium cotton. It's super stretchy, and it's super thick and soft. And I added these brown buttons for a little contrast here, and it just complements this top so well. You can wear this, as I said, open. I love the open look, so I did go ahead and pair it with this top, a simple scoop neck top that I think would complement this set perfectly. So if you plan to wear it open, then you can wear this top underneath. As I said, if you're not a fan of wearing this one open, you can do a full tuck, half tuck, button up, and just leave it outside of your shorts, and you'll slay regardless. So these are the matching shorts, and as I said, the waist is elasticized. Again, it has these cute side pockets, a tie detail at the front, and the soft, listen, I wish you guys could feel this yourself. It is so soft. So this is 100% cotton. It has a lot of stretch, a lot of give, and it's just super chic, super cute. These are the little shorts. It's just so cute, guys. So flirty, so fun. and I just love the solid colors of it all and the contrast of the white and the brown for the buttons. And this is just a cute casual vibe. You can wear this to brunch, you can even wear this to dinner, you can, you know, pair it with some sandals for a daytime look, or you can pair it with heels for a nighttime look. And listen, you slay any time of the day, take it from me. So yeah guys, this is the second piece and I absolutely love it. It's just so chic, and this color on the melanin and this color on the melanin, girl, let's get into it. Let's get into it. Like, this color will have you standing out. Like, it's just gonna give you a pop, it's just gonna give you vibes, and it's just gonna give you chic. Listen, if I were you, I'd head on over to Club Couture JA and cop these pieces right now. What are you waiting on? Like, go, 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 go. So we're in the pants set segment, guys. Just look at this print and tell me that this isn't giving everything. So it features a palazzo pants. So this is the pants, wide leg pants, super flowy all the way down to the ankles or to the floor depending on your height. It has an elasticized waist here, no tie detail at the front because we just want to keep this one super simple because the print is giving. Like, we didn't want to take away from the print, so we just left it as is. And it is paired with this wrap, top, guys. It's super cute. It's actually a halter wrap top, so it goes around the neck and then goes across each boob and then tie it at the front or the back. Listen, there's so many ways that you can style this top. I'm going to show you a few ways that I wrapped it myself, and I mean, the freedom is all up to you. It also has these long strappy details that you can tie around your waist, and it's just so versatile, so chic. And as I said, the print is everything, guys. The fabric is of a silky nature, so it's very soft, very smooth. Listen, this is giving luxury. I always say I wish you guys could feel these pieces for yourself, and you can if you head on over to Club Couture JA and shop them right now. So yeah guys, this is it for the pants set, and this is giving brunch. This is giving a brunch party with the girls. This is giving birthday vibes. Like, listen, if you plan a little birthday picnic, this is perfect for that occasion. Trust me. The print, the flowiness of the palazzo pants, it is just giving, guys. And as I said, it comes with this strappy detail, so you can wear it however you see fit. Okay guys, so let's do a little close-up of this palazzo pants set. Here it is. It's giving, it's giving. So cute, so chic. Like, guys, listen, this is one of my favorite pieces in the collection, and trust me, it's for good reason. This one doesn't have any pockets, but as I said, the print is everything. You would not want to take away from this set by adding so many different details. Like, as is, it is just super gorgeous, super chic, and you can rock it on any occasion. Take my word for it. Okay guys, moving on to the next piece. We are still in the pants set segment, and we have this gorgeous rose pink pants set and a matching wrap top. It's a little halter top because listen, we have to show some skin in this season. As I said, this is post fall outfits, but listen, you can wear these all year round. Do not even worry about it. So let's start with the pants. I'd say it's giving chic, it's giving vibes. It's a wide leg pants, so you can see it's super flared at the legs and it goes all the way down to the ankle. I just love a cinch waist, so I'm just always inclined to add some, you know, elastic or an elasticized detail to the waist of my pants. So that's what I did here, and it has this cute front tie detail as well, and I added these gems. Like, guys, we just always need to add a perfect touch, and I think this is a way to, you know, let it pop a little. So I added these gold details or these gold hardware, as you can see on the tie, and you can just tie it at the front. You can let it fall like this, whatever you so desire. It does have side pockets as well, because you know me, and as everyone, we always like to take those pics, you know, we have our hands in our pockets, and it's just super cute when you have a little pockets on your pants. I for one love it, so I decided to add that to these. and it's just super gorgeous, guys. It's super flowy, and the fabric is actually linen, so it's very thick, very nice, very soft, and very durable. And that's what we want in our pants, because trust me, we don't want to buy a pants and we don't get a lot of wear out of it. So this one will last. This one, it will have you rocking it for ages, guys. Do not even worry about it. So it's very soft to the touch. As I said, it's linen. You might have to give it a little steam from time to time, because as you know, linen is inclined to, wrinkling and stuff like that. So you definitely have to care this one. And this is the back. Let's look at the back. Super chic. Let's give a little close up. Gorgeous, right? So yeah, guys, this pants is everything. Like, listen, let us talk about this top now. Like, look at this print, guys. Just look at the print. Look at the print. This print is giving. So this is giving a floral vibe. So it is a floral print here. Okay, guys, so let's get into this floral print. Like, this is giving vibes. It has like the little flowers on it and leaves, and it just pairs perfectly with these pants. It does have a little twist detail at the front here, as you can see, and it is a off the shoulder detail. I mean, a lot of people can wear it on top of their shoulders, off the shoulders. I prefer the off the shoulder style, but I mean, you have total control over how you rock it, girl. Like, listen, we all have our personal style, so feel free to rock it how you would want it. I also have these front tie details here that, you can tie in a little bow, or you can do a little knot and have it, dangling at the front. One of my personal faves. Let me put this down for a sec so we can really get into the details of this top, guys, because listen, this top is just so chic, so versatile. So this is the off the shoulder detail, and it's also elasticized. Yes, so it fits perfectly across your shoulders. It's not uncomfortable at all, and you don't even have to worry about it sliding off your shoulders, because as I said, it is elasticized, and the sleeves are also elasticized as well. So here it is. And there's a second panel here that is also elasticized to basically add that little puff effect, or that little balloon effect at the side there. And it's just super gorgeous. Let's give a little 360. Let's hear it for this top, right? Let's hear it for this top. So cute, so versatile, guys. And you can do a little wrap here if you want. Like, listen, there are endless possibilities with this top. You rock it however you see fit. So guys, we've added the pants in a mustard as well. Look how gorgeous it is in this color. Like, listen, the mustard is giving. So it does have the elasticized waist again, the gold hardware on the ties at the front, the pockets, and this is linen as well. Wide leg, then it goes all the way down, and this time we've opted to pair it with a little tie front top. Look how cute these are together, guys. Just look how well they complement each other. Like, are you seeing this? So there's definitely a mix of the mustard in this, and then the blue and the purple are basically standing out, and it has a color here, because I think adding a color to any top, like any simple top, just gives it a little, I don't know, a little chicness about it, something bossy, something professional. Like, listen, this is giving. So this color is a perfect touch to this tie front top, because it is super casual. So adding a color actually kind of puts it on the borderline between casual and formal, or semi-formal if you may, but it is so cute. The back is elasticized to fit you around the waist here, super comfortable, and then you just tie these at the front however you see fit. Tie them around your waist, cinching that waist. Like, super cute, super versatile. Like, listen, that's our motto: cute, versatile. Super cute, super versatile, you name it. And this is made of cotton as well, and it is lined here to basically offer some sort of support, because when we wear these tops, especially with the v neckline that it has, and you have the boobies out, you definitely need something for support, something to hold it up. So that's what we did with this top, and I absolutely love how it turned out, guys. Super cute. Let's give a little close up here. This is the back, this is the front, and it also has these balloon sleeves here, guys. Super puffy, super nice. And then we added a cuff at the end, which has a little snap detail to open and close. Let me see if I can open it for you guys. Yeah, so it's just a snap, and you just snap it back in place to fit around your wrist, and it's just super cute. versatile. And I love the sleeves on this one, guys. The sleeves add that perfect touch, and it just says, hey, like, look at me. Like, when you wear this out, I'm sure you'll get 1,000,001 compliments, guys. Listen, no doubt about it. But yeah, let's move on to the next piece. So I think this is it for the pant sets. So moving on to a couple dresses. Okay, so the next dress that we've added is this leopard print dress. And listen, these straps will have your waist cinched. When I say cinched, you can wrap these straps multiple times around your waist. So snatch it in, and it's just super cute. So it is in a maxi style, so it goes all the way down to the floor. Super flowy, super soft. Again, I wish you guys could feel this fabric. It has a front slit at the side here, so you know you can show some leg. Like, listen, all of the show little skin from time to time, so I'm not opposed to this high slit here. And it's just super sexy, super flowy. And the top is actually two cups here, two V cups. So it has a little cut at the front, a little V here, and it's just super nice and super supportive. And the waist is elasticized as well, so it can hold you and, you know, give you that little grip that you need. Super comfortable. And if you look at the back, it is also elasticized, and it has a little low back line, which is a little scoop back line here, as you can see. And it just goes all the way down, and it's just super playful, super fun. We all love a good maxi dress, myself included. And this leopard print dress is to die for, guys. Trust me, you're going to stand out in this one. So as I said, elasticized at the waist, super long strap, so you can tie it as many times as you like. You can even just opt to tie it like at the back of your neck. That's totally fine. Tie a bow and just wear it like that. Listen, possibilities are endless with this one again. And as I said, the main thing for me is definitely the print. So let me give you guys a little close up, because this print is giving fierce, it's giving listen, let's get into it. A little 360. Let's hear it for the back of the dress, shall we? So cute. And yeah, guys, so this is the only maxi dress in this collection, but we do stock other maxi dresses in different prints, different colors, solids, you name it. So head on over to Club Couture JA and check them out. So the next dress that is featured is actually a mini dress, and this is a printed number as well, guys. So we love prints over here. As you can see, most of these are printed. I think we only have like 2 solid pieces, but prints are in, guys. They're just so fun. They're just so, you know, bold. So yeah, I would definitely opt for a print if I were shopping for, say, a birthday, brunch party, dinner, you name it. Like, prints are in. So this one is actually a mini dress. It is basically about, I'd say, thigh to knee length, depending on your height. So it is definitely thigh to knee length, and it has this cute touch to it here at the front with this off the shoulder extension. So at the top here, it has a off the shoulder kind of sweetheart neckline detail. It's kind of hard to show you on the hanger, but it does have a little sweetheart neckline detail at the top here, and it does have these puffy sleeves that tie at the back. Super cute. Again, so you just turn around the back here, you have 2 straps that you can tie at the top, and then 2 more straps that you can tie at the waist. I'll give you guys a full 360 so you can see what I'm talking about. So that's it for the top. The back is also elasticized for, you know, a snug fit. I definitely love a dress that fits snug in the back, and sometimes when it scoops, that's super sexy, and I just love to see it. As I said, this dress is super flowy. It's in a navy blue with some prints on it. This is some floral prints in yellow and white, and I think the color combination is just perfect, guys. I love this dress for one, and I just love how cute it is. I love the little detail here at the front, and I love the off shoulder section of it because it is just so cute. Like, this is just giving everything. I'm gonna give you a close-up as usual. So here it is. flowy, guys. So flowy, so fun. And as I said, one of my favorite details of this is the ties that you have at the back. You know, we just show a little skin around the back from time to time. So cute, guys. I love this. As I said, it's giving daytime, so you can definitely pair these with some sandals. You can definitely dress it up if you want with a cute little purse. And it's giving brunch vibes, it's giving daytime, it's giving breakfast parties. Like, guys, breakfast parties aren't really a thing anymore, but listen, I for one would love to see them bring back breakfast parties, because this would be perfect for that occasion. So this is giving even birthday vibes, because I see a lot of picnic birthday vibes type celebrations going around, so this would be perfect for it. It is just so chic and so cute, and it's just super playful. And I love that the sweetheart neckline just added something for it at the front here, because you know sometimes we see these just horizontal necklines and it's just plain, if you get me, plain and boring. And we don't do plain and boring over here. So this is definitely cute. And don't forget the puff sleeves, like these short balloon sleeves with elastic at the end. Did I even mention that balloon sleeves have elastic, so it just comes around your arm and fits perfectly, guys. This dress is just giving. It's just giving everything. Moving on to one of my favorite pieces in this collection, and it is a button-down shirt dress, if you may. And this print, listen, when I saw this print, I just had to have it. And eventually I was like, okay, this would be perfect for this print. So it does feature a collar here and the button-down detail just as you'd have on a shirt, however in a dress form, and it does flare at the sides here, as you can see. So once it's buttoned down, you'll see the flares, and it has these short sleeves, super cute, super fitting, right here. And my favorite part of this dress, I think, are these little lapels here, these little flaps. So cute. They just add the perfect touch to this shirt dress. And you can rock this with anything. So guys, I'm going to show you how you can style this one up, because I just think that this one is just so versatile that you can rock it with anything possible. You can rock a hat with this, you can rock it with a beret. I'm going to style it with a fedora hat so you guys can see how it looks, and I think it's just super cute, super versatile. The back is cinched in at the waist as well, just as is the front, and it just gives that little flare detail. It's just so playful. This is definitely giving dinner vibes. Yes, you can rock it in the day, but I would much prefer to rock this with some heels in the evening or in the night. You know, you're going out with your friends, you're just going out for a vibe. This is the dress. Listen, this is your dress. So let's give a little close-up of this one as well. And I did go ahead and add the marble buttons on this one, so you can see the marble details on the buttons. Super cute. And I just love how it just buttons down in the front and gives that cute casual look, but it's giving kind of like business in the back, party in the front, if you get me. Super versatile, guys. And as I said, the print is to die for. This is 100% cotton as well, so it's super soft, super stretchy. It has a lot of give. So I mean, if you're looking for that snatched waist, this dress will give you that snatched look. So cute. So this is all the vibes, guys, all the rave, and definitely one of my favorite pieces in this collection. Don't you think? Okay, guys, so last but not least, we have another button-down shirt dress, because listen, shirt dresses are in. They're just super fun, super cute, and this is in a solid color, so I opted to do this in white. And it does have the same properties as the previous shirt dress. So it does have the flares, it does have the little lapels, it has the button down details, the color, you name it. However, I opted to do a balloon sleeve for this one, and it goes all the way down to the wrist. So this is definitely a long sleeve look, definitely a nighttime look, guys, because you'll be so hot in the day in this. You definitely have to wear it in the night where it's much cooler. And I would definitely rock this with some heels. You know, you dress it up, add a cute little purse, and you're good to go. So these sleeves are balloon, as you can see, super voluminous, and we added elastic at the wrist, so it has a perfect fit, super snug, and it does have these pleated details at the top of the shoulders here, and it's just so playful, so simple yet so stunning. Like, look at this and you see a simple button down dress, but listen, this is anything short of simple. Look at the back here, you do have the cinched waistline here again that snatches in the waist like all of us want, and then it flares at the end. So yeah guys, I definitely love this one. It's super cute and it's just playful. It's giving nighttime, as I said, dinner dates, you name it. But I do love this one. I'm gonna give you a little close up so you guys can see most of the details yourself. Love this one, guys. Listen. Hey guys, that's it for this little haul today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video just as much as I did. It's always so fun to shoot these fashion videos because I am a lover of fashion, and as a fashion designer, like, listen, this is my jazz. You can leave a like on this video if you enjoyed this fashion haul. You can also leave a comment down in the comment section and let me know which was your favorite piece. Like guys, I love them all. I know you do too. If you can choose one or two, let me know which one is your fave. And if you want to have these pieces in your closets, guys, I know you do, you can head on over to my page called Couture JA and shop, shop, shop. If you do, I'm going to leave you guys with a special discount code today. Come a little closer. Let me give you that little discount code. It's HAUL10. So if you shop and you submit HAUL10 as the discount code, you receive 10% off all these gorgeous pieces. Like, that's a steal right there, guys. And that's just my way of showing my appreciation to you, my subbies, for always coming back, always supporting. And for those who support my business as well, I really appreciate it. So guys, that's the end of today's video. I'll see you in the next one. But before you go, please check out these fashion hauls that I've posted on my channel already. I'm sure you love them just as you do this one. And don't forget to slay, don't forget to stay true to yourself, and most of all, don't forget to look stylish while being confident in yourself. And I'll see you in the next video. Peace.